What is the most dominant factor that will kill a love affair, kill a relationship, destroy a marriage and a long-term partnership? I know you might be thinking it's lying and cheating and bad behavior and narcissism and all of that, but the underlying thing that will really tip the scales is the resentment because of these actions. Resentments that are not aired, problems that are not fixed in the relationship, ongoing issues. It could be all of those individual actions or lack of actions, but the bottom line is that it is resentment against your partner that builds and builds, and that is the thing that destroys your relationship from inside out. Again, the specific behaviors, are they horrible? Of course they are. But it is the resentment over having this happen to you that is the killer of your love. And how could it not be? So in love, we have an implicit agreement that we won't hurt each other. That is why we are together as a couple and we are loving each other. So if you are wondering why you're feeling angry or something doesn't feel right, you better check your resentments. What have you stated? Have you spoken honestly to your partner? What issues need to be addressed that have not been addressed? This is the work that you have to do to stay together. And if you need help, please contact me, Susan Winter at susanwinter.net.